Need your PC to always keep the same IP address? Whether for port forwarding, file sharing, or stable remote access, setting a static IP is essential. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to configure a static IP address in Windows 10 step by step. Step 1. Open Network Settings. Start by clicking the network icon in the bottom right corner, then choose Network and Internet Settings. From the menu, select Change Adapter Options. You'll see all your available network interfaces here. Step 2. Access IPv4 Settings. Right-click your active connection and choose Properties. Now scroll down and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Here's where you'll assign the static IP address manually. Step 3. Assign the static IP. Select Use the following IP address. Now type in your desired IP, usually something like 192.168.1.100. For subnet mask, type 255.255.255.0. Gateway is your router's IP, often 192.168.1.1. For DNS, use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 for Google's DNS. Step 4. Apply settings and verify. Close all windows. To confirm that it's working, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig. You'll see your new static IP address listed under your adapter. And that's it. You've now set a static IP on your computer. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to TechTune Hacks for quick tech how-tos every week. Need to reset? Just switch back to Obtain IP Address automatically.